Good evening everyone, time check here in Abdali Farm, 10:23, going home to Sawal Nasser. Abdali Farm from here to Sawal Nasser is 1 hour and 20 minutes travel by private car. Ayan, going home na guys. As OFW, ganyan talaga. What time you going home? Hindi tayong pwedeng magreklamo. Kaya as OFW, matuto tayong magtiis, magtiyaga, at saka unawa, habaan ang pasensya. Ang pasensya mo kailangan Kuwait to Philippines. Ganyan ang mga OFW dito. Kaya ingat tayo lagi and always pray. Thanks God, we reach home now.